Hi everyone, I'm Ariel from Zappos, and this is Starina from CL By Laundry. Okay, so I'm not much of a sandal wearer myself, but I would definitely wear a pair of these. These are just so super cute, and I love all the little cutout details here on the side. That's definitely going to help with breathability on those really hot summer days. Now it also does have a closed heel here in the back, and a little peep toe here in the front so you can show off your awesome pedicure, and also does lace up here in the front, which is a unique design choice that I don't see on a lot of sandals that I absolutely love. Now the upper is made of a really smooth synthetic material and also has a man-made lining and insole that's going to help keep you comfortable all day long. There is a little bit of a wedge heel in the back that is going to help with a slight boost in height and give you a little bit of extra flair. And that's all on top of a durable man-made outsole that even has a little bit of texture here on the forefoot to help with grip. Get ready for warmer weather with this style from CL By Laundry.